Hello everyone, it's Silver Limey 79 here. The silver arrived this morning. Pretty much drove me nuts all day. It's been sitting there since about nine in the morning. I've got everything ready to do the unboxing. I tried I bought off a new site. It's called Wickham Silver. They're in the UK. So anyone obviously in Europe and the UK, they're looking for VAT-free silver. Try these guys first. I'll leave the URL in the description. They seem to have a limited selection, but they're VAT-free. There's a small premium as well. However, they are the cheapest that you'll get in Europe. Give them a shout. There's about 25 ounces in this box, so I'm super excited to open it up and especially show it to you. So we'll get cracking with it. Let's take a look. Yeah, I managed to get a nice selection of goodies. I thought I'd try. There was some coins that I bought off the last one that weren't available, but were strange enough available on this site. So it's going to be great to see them here. Majorly packaged here. Hang on a sec. Let me sort this out. There it is. Let's open this up. I've got a good selection of things. I'll go through them now with you. And then I've got some are going to be used for the content for tomorrow as well, which I'm really excited about. Tomorrow's recording is going to be really good. Hope you guys like it. There we go. We're almost done here. What we need. This box here. Let me put it on there. That way you guys can see what I'm up to. That's it. Looks like they sort of wrapped it in the wrapping as well. Wow. Okay, there we go. Sweet. Oh, that's a Scottsdale one. Actually, wow, look at that. That's the Congo Gorilla 1 ounce. I'll obviously do separate reviews on these. This I got 10 1/4 ounce Armenian Noah's Arks. Oh, I've been waiting for these. These are the proof. I don't know if you guys know of the Isle of Man. The proof coins that they do. They've got the Noble, and they've also got the Angel. And I saw these up, and I've really wanted these for a very long time. And they're going at a really good price. You can get these on AppMex as well. For the American viewers there, definitely get yourself one of these. These are limited to 15,000 apparently, according to the site. They're going for a really good price. Look at that. I'll do a separate review on them though. What else we got here? Oh, there we go. Canadian. That's the 30-year anniversary. That's the Kangaroo. Australia 1 ounce. I got one of these 3/4 ounce pieces. This has got some wall detail on it. That looks quite nice. Wow. Let's have a look. Oh, I had to get the American Silver Eagle. Oh man, I've been wow, really impressed with that. That was the what's that? That's the 1 1/4 ounce. This is the buffalo, the bison. It's quite a thick piece. let's have a look. That is a, I think that's a ½ ounce. That's the Noah's Ark Armenia. Ah, there it is. Queen's Beasts. That's the 2 ounce. I just went for the unicorn because I really wanted to get this coin. But I'll do a proper review on that. There's another one also. I got another Britannia as well. Some maple leaves as well. I got the Incuse version and just the regular one. There's the 1 ounce Noah's Ark. That's that Armenian set. I'm going to do a fractional video in the near future as well. And there's another 30-year maple leaf. There's the Incuse maple leaf there. Lovely. Oh, this was the Predator series by the Canadian Mint. It's got like a wolf on it. Very nice. Oh yeah, this is the 2 dragons. I don't know if you guys have seen this. This is for the UK one. It's a 1 ounce 999 2018. That's it's encapsulated as well. Very nice. And then I got these dragon bars. I thought these were really nice. They're done in sort of like a matte finish, but the detail is just fantastic. And it's also got a value on there. That's just, you know, one thing I can't get over is the majority of these silver pieces that they mint them with low values. I mean, $1 Australian for that, and yet it's obviously from a silver value perspective, it's worth probably 15-16 Australian dollars, but yet they put a low value on it. It's the same thing with these. The Canadians are a lot better though, because they've got $5 on the value of theirs, and even like $1 on the US Liberty. That's pretty much it, guys. So I'll show you these 1/4 ounces here. Actually, they gave me a nice tube for that. Just give me a sec. Wow, that's a fat piece. Look at that. Wow, that looks fantastic. And normally with these 1/4 ounces, they tend to be slightly bigger but then thinner, but wow, that looks brilliant. Yeah, so we'll do a fractional video for you guys to take a look at. Yeah, please comment, like. Obviously, if this is your first view at my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it, so you'll be notified when new stuff, obviously new content is available. I've got a great video coming tomorrow. Definitely keep an eye out for it. Obviously, if you've hit the bell, you'll be notified straight away. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll obviously see you on the next video. Thanks very much.